Hello and welcome to this how-to video from Mountson. This product is the premium wall mount for Sonos One, Sonos One SL and the Play1. Let's have a look inside the box. In the box you'll find some instructions, the base plate for the speaker, the wall bracket, the wall attachment bracket, the cable cover, screws, an Allen key, and the speaker bracket. Once the wall bracket is installed onto the wall, we're going to next put the bracket onto the speaker. Once the speaker's upside down, we take the base plate, put it onto the bottom of the speaker like that, take the wall mount attachment, slide it into the base plate at an angle like this, take the bolt into the hole here, and take the supplied Allen key and tighten up the bolt. Once this is done and the bolt's nice and tight, then we'll take this part off. We're now going to put the cable for the Sonos speaker into the bottom. Push in firmly. Now we can return the base plate to the bottom of the speaker. Once the previous steps are complete, we take the speaker back bracket, place it through the cable and then insert it into here, making sure that the bracket slides between the holes and firmly into the base plate. It's important you hear a click. Like that. Once the bracket is secured to the speaker, we're ready to mount to the wall. The first step is to put the cable through this hole. Like that. Then we position it up to the bracket that's already on the wall. The speaker cable feeds through the wall bracket and the speaker bracket clips into place. The cable cover is then inserted into the wall bracket. Make sure the cable cover clicks firmly into place. And finally, you're now ready to swivel your speaker, either left or right. I hope you found this Mountson video useful.